Here's a pair of the JLab JBuds mini earbuds. I'm going to show you how to put it into pairing mode, then how to connect to one device, then how to connect to another device, and then how to factory reset these. So the first thing is, let's put this in a pairing mode and let's connect to my Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. All right, so let me go ahead and take the earbuds out of the case, take them out, and then look at them and wait for a few seconds. Okay, after a few seconds, if you're not currently paired to connect to another device, then it should go into pairing mode where one of these is blinking blue, white, blue, white, blue, white, and there it is. You got to wait a little while. So this one's blinking blue, white is just one of them. So this is in pairing mode. Okay, so let's first connect to the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. Let me go into settings here. I'm going to go to connections. I'm going to go to Bluetooth. And that little spinny thing there up here, it's searching for devices under here, under available devices that's in pairing mode near me. Okay, and I did find the JBuds mini right there. Let me tap on that. With an Android phone, you get a pairing request right there. Tap on pair. And voila, we're connected for calls and audio. All right. So now we're currently connected to this phone here. Okay. So now let's just say we go ahead and put the buds back into the case. And we're currently paired to this phone here. But now let's say we want to go ahead and pair and connect to your iPhone 16e. So let me go ahead and take these out again. I'm going to open these up. I'm going to pull these out. And then what I want is these to be in pairing mode. So one of the buds has to be blinking blue, white, blue, white, blue, white. So wait a few seconds. And for me, I don't get any lights on here. The reason is because remember, I'm currently paired or connected to another phone here. So if I want to connect to this phone, I have to put this in pairing mode. So I have to turn off Bluetooth on the device I'm currently connected to. Okay, so this Android phone here, Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. Let me go into settings and I'm going to go to connections. Then I'm going to go to Bluetooth. And now you can see I'm currently connected. Okay, now as soon as I turn off Bluetooth, look at the earbuds. Ready? It's off. Now wait a few seconds. And then you can see one of them starts blinking blue, white, blue, white, blue, white. So as long as one of them is blinking blue, white, blue, white, blue, white, this is in pairing mode. Okay, so now we can go back to my iPhone here. And I'll go to settings and I'm going to go to Bluetooth here. I'm going to go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. That little spinny thing is searching for a device that's in pairing mode near me. Okay, these are still in the pairing mode. One of them is blinking blue, white, blue, white. It did find a JBuds mini right there. Let me tap on that right there. Give it 1 second. Voila, now we are connected to this phone here. Okay. Now, let's say you want to perform a factory reset. Let's say you had issues pairing or connecting to a different device or the same device, or it keeps the lip sync is like delayed, or one of them works, one of them doesn't, and so on. Anyway, factory reset's very simple here. Okay, so the first thing is, if I want to go ahead and factory reset and I want to connect back to the same devices that I was currently paired before, what I should do is just go into the settings, Bluetooth settings, and before I was paired here. So what I want to do with the iPhone is tap on that little I, and then I'm going to forget this device, basically delete it. Okay, so now it's currently deleted. And then I'll go my Android phone, I'll do the same thing over here. I'll go to settings and I'm going to go to Bluetooth, make sure I turn on Bluetooth here. Remember, we were paired to this device before. I got to go ahead and click on the settings button right there. And with the Android phone, it's unpair instead of forget this device like on an iPhone. So let me unpair. So this way, after the factory reset, we can connect back to either of these phones as well. Okay, so there's nothing on the pairing list with these buds here. Okay, so now let's go ahead and factory reset these. Okay, let's open the case up, and it's very simple. The only way to do is with the case lid open, we're going to tap one bud 7 times and then the other one. As soon as we do it 7 times, it should blink 4 times blue. Okay, so we'll do it together. Ready? First one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, blinking blue. There we go. Now as soon as I pull these out, they should be already factory reset and it should automatically go into pairing mode. Okay. Oh, there it is. So one of the buds is blinking blue, white, blue, white, blue, white. So it's back into pairing mode. Now, if I wanted to, I can go ahead and connect back to the same phones here, or I can connect to a different device or a TV and so on. So hope that helped you guys out.